Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2016 Freightliner Coronado glider kit day cab. Factory glider kit, built with the pre-emission 12.7 liter Detroit, 13 speed. Got it hot this afternoon. Gonna do a full walk around, show you oil pressure, blow by, underneath the hood, frame rails, tires, everything that you'd want to see as if you're standing here. 489 total on the miles and 8,000 miles on an engine overhaul and paperwork as well. Good low side oil pressure. Water temps dropped just a smidge from full operating temp, but that gives you a really good idea of what she's going to look like. It's probably going to be around 25 and 50. Interior's really clean, floor's in good shape. It's a higher level button tuck interior as well. Engine's clean. Air ride front end, it's gonna ride really nice. Frame rails are clean. It's gonna have just a little bit of rust on it in some various areas. Mainly your accessory steel area. So your thinner pieces are gonna carry just a little bit of rust. Good looking truck overall, dual stacks, kind of has the look, setback tanks. There's a 132 as well, so it's not a stub nose SD. Back of the cab looks good. Like I said, frame rails are in good shape. Excellent Michelin's back here. All aluminum wheels, air side fifth wheel. Excellent new brakes. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or any other trucks, feel free to give me a shout, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.